What's up mga Lods? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, panibagong kababalaghan TikTok videos. So ito yung mga nag-trending sa internet. So make sure i-follow nyo itong mga taong ma-featured sa channel natin sa video na to. And follow nyo rin ang aking channel na Master Renz para lagi kayo update sa aking mga video. So without further ado, let's go sa go!
A woman named Sydney was staying at an Airbnb with her dog for a weekend
Ito,
wedding.
alam ko to.
And at first everything was
Ito yung
normal
nag-trending.
until she started noticing some strange behavior from her dog. Her dog would randomly stop
isa
on
yung
the same
aso.
part of the stairs and just stare at it
Isa yun dun.
repeatedly during different times of the day, every day.
And she's been doing this ever since we got here, every single day. It's usually at different times. So here's another clip that I got of her doing it.
After seeing her dog here all the time, viewers suggested she check under the rug to see if anything is there. But when she lifts it up, everything seems normal. After a while, she realizes what may possibly be the cause for her dog staring so intently down at the stairs.
Okay, so I think I figured out why my dog just is always hanging out right here. So
Bakit?
I just found a door back here.
Ito.
So I don't think that it's what's on the stairs. I think it's something that's underneath. So I tried to check, but
Nakalak.
the door is locked.
Right at the base of the stairs at the back, she discovers a door that leads down into the basement and believes this is what her dog is actually fixated on when she freezes on the stairs. It's the basement below the stairs, but the door is locked and she is unable
Pagka gano'n kasi yung mga aso talaga, pag may makaparamdam ng gano'n yung weird, something weird, ibig sabihin, mayroon talaga sila nakaramdamang kakaiba dyan sa bahay na tinutuloy or Airbnb na tinutuloy nila.
to get it open. She then notices the gap under the door is big enough to put her phone under, so she sticks it under to record. Then this happens.
So this is the switch. You guys can see the light is on right there.
Oh!
As she puts her phone under, you can see there is nobody there on the other side. Then the moment she retracts it, something twists the doorknob from the other side. Freaked out, Sydney runs around the corner. Later on, she started hearing noises and captured something utterly terrifying.
Me, my sister, my niece, we were renting out this Airbnb for a wedding this weekend, and we were just out walking my dog. And when we came in, we heard Jesus Christ.
Mahalas nilang nakuha ang Airbnb, no? Haunted pala. Oh! Oh!
Footsteps can be heard walking on the stairs. Then when she turns around to look, her dog's leash suddenly shoots up into the air without warning. After watching this terrifying footage, she quickly sent it over to her landlord
Kitang-kita yun,
and
no? Walang tali dun. Kitang-kita, oh. Doon sa observation ko. Walang tali dun, eh.
asked if anybody else was living here, although it was clear by what happened with her dog that this is more than just a mere person.
I sent the video to the landlord of the Airbnb asking, like, hey, is there someone else renting it out as well as us or what? Because There's a room under the stairs that we can't get into. It's locked. So I didn't know. And basically he was like,
Hindi sila
no,
hinaus
you
tour
guys are
dyan
the
bago
only
kunin.
ones that are in the Airbnb right now, like booked out for the week. So, okay. Kind of feel relieved, in a way because
But the creepiness doesn't stop there. The very next night, something even worse happens. Watch closely.
This would been even creepier without the music. Ano kaya to?
scary. Okay. Okay, every time we've knocked before, this doorknob would turn a little bit.
You were trying to catch it right. Ano yun? You were trying to catch it right when it turned on. I'm listening for any sounds. Wala. Katok ka pa ng katok eh. Wala na nag-respond. Sige, makulit ka. Oh! Hala. Yung mail na ng phone nyo oh. Oh. Hala. Legit to para sa akin. Mamaya explain ko. Ay, delikado to. Ay, may sumilip eh. Tinakatakot. Oh.
As she holds the phone just far enough to reach under the door, something snatches it from her and pulls it back far enough for it to slowly topple down the stairs and reach the bottom without stopping on any of the steps. The weird thing is that the phone actually stopped moving after it was pulled away and was still for a few seconds, then it suddenly fell down the steps as if it were pulled back again. Even scarier, after the phone lays flat at the bottom, it suddenly rotates on its own. Then, like something straight out of a horror movie, the phone spins and stands up to
Paano gagalaw yan ng ganyan? Diba? Saka kung may tao dyan, makikita, maaninag na kagad dun sa angulo na yung kanina. Bago yan.
horror
Dito pa
movie.
lang, oh yan,
The
no?
phone
Makikita pa lang kung may tao dyan, may angulo na may tao siya. Eh, dyan walang tao eh.
spins and stands up to point towards the
Oh.
basement door all on its own before falling flat again. Immediately after this, she notifies the host about what happened, and eventually he comes over to unlock the door and retrieve her phone. Now, using her sister's phone, she records this.
But there's no reason for me to go down there. But I'm waiting to start hearing things from coming underneath my house. That's it. I'm out of here. Under the door. Okay, well. Door two, it's creepy.
Thank you.
Somehow the phone had been pulled back through the large space leading down to the first step and ended up all the way at the bottom of the stairs.
Kahipi.
A woman
Kahipi nito. Una-una yung sa aso, yung paghila doon sa tali. Pangalawa yung phone, hinila pababa. Diba yung dahan-dahan pumunta sa loob. Tapos yung sa ano pa, yung doorknob na gumalaw mag-isa na pinakita wala yung tao. Para sa akin yung kwento na to, legit talaga to. Para sa akin. Oh, may tao. Ay, oo, may tao. Creepy nun. Tingnan natin sunod. Ito, pinuntahan niya, oh. Chinek niya kung may tao ba talaga.
A ver.
Ah,
No manches.
ay, naku po.
No
Yan
hice
ata
nada,
yun, no?
espérate.
Ay,
¿Y no alguien?
ay, dandahan.
No hay nadie.
Ay, walang bintana. Saan? Ah, dyan. Ayun yung bintana, oh.
Ve, no hay nadie.
Kung ako dyan sa ginawa, hindi ako babalik. Hindi ako babalik. Kinabukasan ko na lang sisilipin. Kasi kung alam ko naman sa sarili ko, nanila ko na yung bahay bago ko iwan. Diba? Ibig sabihin, alam ko sa sarili ko na wala ng tao talaga dapat.
Valentina, vamos
Ito.
a dormir.
Late night finds it's my grandma coming to visit my
Tus
daughter the
ojos
morning after she
hermosos
passed away.
me dicen que sí.
Ay, ito.
No te apures que yo estoy aquí.
Hi, Angel. Hi, Roxy. It's nighttime. We can sleep. And you want to do so now? You want a pizza? Remember?
Valentina.
Para sa akin to sa video naman to, syempre mga pumano ating mahal sa buhay, lalo na ito pag si Lola, base sa pagkakano mo malapit siya doon sa apo niya. Siguro bago siya tumawid sa kabilang buhay, baka gusto niya talaga magpaalam, magbabay na doon sa apo niya. Or pwede yung entity or bad spirit na nagdi-disguise. Tapos ang target mga bata. So para sa akin 50-50, pero I hope sana yung Lola talaga niya yung nagpakita na talagang angel siya at wala siyang gagawin masama doon sa bata. Kasi kung hindi, delikado. Diba? Kung entity pala yan na nag-disguise. Ito. I don't know
Oh my God,
WTF
bro.
this was. I went in there
Have you
and
seen
nothing
the
was there.
craziest shit?
This has been happening randomly for like 2 to
Look,
3 weeks.
over there.
Now, every so
Over there, I just seen
often,
the
any
craziest
ideas?
Look! Oh my god.
Sumisilip?
What was that? Oh my god. Oh my god, what is that?
Malay ko, silipin mo.
I'm like shaking right now. What is that? Look it. Watch, it's gonna do it again. It's gonna do it again. Look at that! Nah, bro.
Ito yung part 2 niya.
Look, there it is again.
Oh, mukha na oh.
Holy shit. Look, even the cat's tripping.
Tapos yung pusa niya.
Even the
Nakikita
cat's
din oh.
tripping. Last time he'll tell me to go look. I'm going to look. 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 It's literally just the bathroom.
So walang tao.
Oh god. Don't ignore that. But look,
Ayan,
windows
ganda.
closed. There's nobody in here. It's just dirty. I'm just not like, what is going on, bro? Look at that.
Para sa akin dun sa part na yun, dapat nung tinitingnan niya yung bathtub, dapat binuksan niya. Kasi hindi niya binuksan, hindi niya masyado sinilip doon sa may bathtub eh. So may possibility na may kasama talaga siya dyan, nagtago lang doon sa bathtub. Kasi ewan ko sa akin kung panonoodin niyo ulit yung kanina, hindi niya tinignan ng buo sa bathtub eh. I was hearing weird noises at my door and wanted to see if I could get them on camera. Ano kaya to? I was thinking maybe it was an animal. But then I heard a voice. I got closer to see if I could hear it better. Wala. Katakot yung boses ah. Naku po, huwag mong bubuksan. Ito yung part 2. Wala. Wala, galit. Ay, walang tao.
I know it's hard to see, but I'm not opening the door.
Wala, delikado to. Walang tao.
And like, this is a window. There's no people, but this is a window, and you can really see out there.
Ang creepy.
Hard to see it. So I don't know.
Umubuksan. Para sa akin, creepy nito. Kasi uso-uso yung mga mimic na yan eh. So as much as possible, wag silang pinapansin or wag daw papapasukin. Kasi pag pinapasok mo yan, talagang papasok ka sa loob ng bahay, maguguluhin yung buhay mo. Eh, takot tong isang to. So yun, nakatapos tayo. Yun muna sa ngayon. So kayo, pili anong para sa inyo pinaka natakot kayo sa part kayo pinaka natakot. Alin yung real, alin yung fake. So i-comment nyo lang dyan sa comment section. So yun, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi.